puppy. Puppy. Come on, puppy.
1, 2, 3.
Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. Puppy. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy.
She's coming.
Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on, puppy. Hi, puppy.
Come on, guys. Okay, I want you to pick each one up. We're going to figure out color so people can see their puppies. Okay. That's White Toes Boy. Okay, we got him. Next. That's the green collar. Is that a boy or a girl? Boy, okay. Okay, you can put him down. Well, you got collar. Nope, that's not it. No. Oh, that's white collar. Didn't you just have that one? Maybe not. Okay, so that's tan collar. Is that a boy or a girl? That's got to be a
Girl.
Yep, okay.
Come on, Blue.
That's blue cherry cloth. I know she's a little girl. Okay, blue cherry cloth. Smile for your close up. Okay, we got her. Gemma's running. Gemma's chasing kittens. There's Red. He's off. Finn.
Come on. Come here. Come here.
Come on, Finn.
Come here. Come here. Come here.